we've printed 30% of the money that ever existed in the last 5 years. So that's got to go somewhere. That's going to find its way into obviously risk assets, real estate, all kinds of things that people want to buy. So inflation's here to stay. I mean, I think that the idea that we're going to get back down to a 2% inflation rate, it's a dream. In fact, it's funny. I actually remember listening to an interview with Anthony Pompliano a few years ago, talking about, I think eventually the Fed's going to have to move their 2% target to a 3%. I don't think they'll actually do that verbally, but it's going to happen tacitly, right? And that's what's going to happen. Bitcoin, though, is still going to, I think, react very, very favorably, because as we see rates come down, we're going to see more liquidity. I was listening to Bloomberg a little bit earlier today, and there was some talk about stopping the runoff of the balance sheet for the Federal Reserve. So, as you know, they've grown their balance sheet by trillions of dollars over the recent years, and they've been slowly trying to let assets roll off their balance sheet. I'm sure they're going to stop that, and then before you know it, they're going to have to probably start growing the balance sheet again. That liquidity is going to have to find a place to go, and it's going to find its way into QQQ, it's going to find its way into the SPY, and it's going to find its way into Bitcoin.